For decades, we were told robots were coming, but they were always 5 years away. They were clunky, they were tethered to power cables, and honestly, they were a bit of a joke. But look at your calendar. It's 2026. The joke is over. Right now, as you watch this, humanoid robots aren't just dancing for cameras. They are clocking in for shifts at BMW, Mercedes, and Hyundai. They've moved from the lab to the street. This isn't just robotics anymore. This is physical AI, and it's about to change everything you know about work, home, and the human legacy. And today on Deciphertech, where we break down the tech that powers our world, we're diving into the 3 breakthroughs that defines 2026 as the year of the machines. The biggest hurdle wasn't the metal, it was the brain. In the old days, if you wanted a robot to pick up a coffee cup, you had to code every single millimeter of movement. If the cup moved an inch to the left, the robot failed. In 2026, we've ditched the code for behavior models. Think of it like ChatGPT, but for muscles. Using NVIDIA's Project GR00T, Generalist Robot 00 technology, and Tesla's Optimus Academy, robots are now learning through imitation learning. They watch thousands of hours of human video and figure out how to move. They understand the physics of the world just like a child does. When you see the new Aptronic Apollo handling delicate crates at Mercedes-Benz, it's not following a script, it's thinking in real time. It's not a machine, it's an agent. But why now? Simple: labor. Across the globe, there's a massive shortage of people willing to do the 3 Ds: dull, dirty, and dangerous work. This is where the Unitree G1 and Agility's Digit come in. In early 2026, we saw the first massive commercial deployments. We're talking fleets of 100+ robots in single facilities. They aren't replacing the creative you, they're replacing the back-breaking tasks. Lifting 50-kilogram battery modules, sorting hazardous waste, and working 22-hour shifts with hot swappable batteries. And the price? We're seeing entry-level humanoids like the Unitree G1 hitting the market for under $15,000. That's cheaper than a used sedan. For the first time, small businesses can actually afford a mechanical employee. Let's talk specs. The barrier to entry just plummeted. Take the Unitree G1. It stands at 132 centimeters, weighs only 35 kilograms, and features 43 degrees of freedom. But the kicker? It's retailing for around $16,000. That is cheaper than a used sedan for a machine that can do a backflip and handle delicate assembly. In the heavy-duty sector, Boston Dynamics' Electric Atlas has officially hit the factory floor at Hyundai's Meta plants. Unlike the old hydraulic version, this is 100% electric, with proprietary high-torque actuators that allow it to move in ways humans can't, like 360-degree joint rotations. It doesn't turn around, it just rotates its torso and keeps walking. We are also seeing the rise of VLA models, Vision Language Action. This means you can literally tell a robot, go find the 10mm wrench and bring it to Station 5, and it uses multimodal perception to identify the tool, navigate the floor, and complete the task without a single line of new code. But the question everyone asks is, when can I get one? 2026 is the year that answer changed. 1X Technologies officially started shipping the Neo to early adopters. This is the iPhone moment for robotics. It's quiet, it's padded with soft materials for safety, and it's designed to live with you. Meanwhile, over at Tesla, the Optimus Gen 3 is ramping up production at the Fremont facility. Elon Musk is betting the entire company on the idea that by 2030, there will be more robots than people. Whether it's folding your laundry or just being a telepresence avatar so you can visit your office from across the world, the wall between digital and physical has finally collapsed. They watch millions of hours of human video and figure out the physics. They aren't programmed to grasp an object. They understand the concept of grasping. We're seeing robots like the Aptronic Apollo perform tasks with a 99% success rate in messy environments because they can now reason through physical obstacles. They don't just see a room, they build a real-time world model that predicts how objects will react when touched.
We are living through a pivot point in history. The tools are no longer just in our hands, they are standing right next to us. Is this the beginning of a golden age of productivity, or are we moving too fast? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to know if you'd trust a robot in your kitchen. This is Deciphertech, where we break down the tech that powers our world. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.